everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas. Merry Vlogmas? I don't know. Anyway, welcome back. I have a very exciting video for you today. You might have seen by the title, but I have been gifted a surprise box by Walt Life. Walt Life reached out to me. They are a really cool business that will ship you a Disney-themed surprise box once a month for you or your family or whoever. There are different packages, which is pretty cool. They sent me this. How exciting! How cute, right? It looks like a little treasure box. You've got Tinkerbell and Hercules, Pegasus on the side. Oh, Dumbo! So I got this in the mail. I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see what's inside. I'm really excited. So they gifted this to me, but you can get your very own Walt Life box and subscription if you so choose. I will link them below. I am very excited to see what this entails. I know that there is actual Disney merchandise in these boxes, so I'm really excited to see what is behind this closed box. Oh, I didn't even open it yet. It says make a wish. Okay. Okay, I made a wish. Oh my gosh, it's so colorful. Any day spent with you is my new favorite day. Oh my goodness. Wow, bring it on. There's all like little Disney quotes. It's so bright and colorful. This is crazy. How fun. I love it. Okay, so the very first thing is a picture. Welcome to the Walt Life family. Why, thank you. How sweet. You just joined an exclusive Disney fan club that is here to send you all the Disney fun that you'll ever need. We are so excited to curate special boxes every month filled with officially licensed Disney and Disney Parks goodies that are specially chosen with you in mind. We're excited to create your happily ever after. Get ready to love your box as much as we loved making it for you. Welcome, I'm Sarah. I'm so happy to introduce myself as I get to pick out all of your Disney items. I hope you love your first box. Have a great day, Sarah. So this must be Sarah. They sent like a photograph of her, which is really, really cute. Thank you, Sarah. That was very sweet. That's a really personal, really sweet touch, so I enjoyed that. Now there's just a bunch of confetti, so once we move all of this confetti out of the way, I love confetti. I just made a mess on my bed. Brian's gonna kill me. Okay, so out of all this confetti, okay. Oh, wait, I think I've seen these before. How the glasses work. These are like glasses you can look at like your Christmas tree with them, I think. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh, they're hearts. I have Christmas lights around my room right now. And if you look like at the Christmas lights, these glasses make all the lights look like hearts. So I'm going to film this video. I'm going to see if I can create a little like cutaway of the glasses and their hearts. I don't know if it'll work on the camera, but we're gonna try because it's really, really cool. And it's super cute. Look and see a heart in every bright light. Oh, these are like their own little special glasses, Walt Life. I like that. Oh, and it tells you how they work. Not all lights will reveal the surprise behind these glasses, such as a candle or a Christmas light works best. Okay, there you go. Candles and Christmas lights. Tis the season, isn't it? Ooh. Interesting. Some ears? Now, I don't think these are official park ears. I have never seen these before, but they look super cute. They're Disney ears. I just don't know where they're from. Ooh. Ooh. I love it. How cute is that? Should I wear them? I should. I don't fit very well in the frame now though, so I'll have to hunch. I'm really bad with hunching anyway, so this should be fine. It's my girl! It's a little Tsum Tsum. Aww. Look how cute she is. Oh, she's got her ice cape. And her braid. R.I.P. Oh, I will hold on to you. Near and dear, close to my heart. That's fine. I love Aunt Alice's new costumes very much. Like a little bookmark, maybe? With a maze. That's fun. An exclusive Disney fan club. Walt Life. It's a little bracelet. I feel like I've seen these at like Hot Topic before. I don't know. Bracelet, and I think it says Hakuna Matata. Oh, well, there's a large box. We'll get to that. There is a puzzle, and it looks like you can like color it and then like break it up and make a puzzle. It's a fun, cute little game for kids. I like that. Oh, the bottom says Aloha. I guess like Lilo and Stitch. Okay, this is a magnet. Nothing can stop a princess. Ain't that the truth? I love it. It's got my girl Ro on there. And I like the little Aurora crown. That's sweet. I think this is gonna go on our fridge because we've been adding magnets to it. Okay, I was not smart and I did not bring scissors over here, so let's see. Oh, no, it's not difficult. It's a mug with Flounder. Look at how stinking cute he is. Flounders, he's on this side and that side. I don't know if you can see what it says. My best friend is a mermaid. Can you ever have too many mugs? Like, for real? Every time I go into the Disney store, or like World of Disney or something like that, I have to stop myself from buying every mug in there. The one that gets me every time is the Baymax one, the really simple white one, and then there's like the Baymax eyes. Yeah, I love that. I don't even think I would use it. I think I would just keep it. Well, that was everything inside. This was so much fun and so cute. And honestly, it could have just been a box of confetti and I would have been happy because I love confetti. Well, Sarah, Walt Life, thank you very much for the box. Now you guys know what is in this, so if you've ever heard of it before, or you've been curious, or you've never heard of it and you're like, I need this in my life, there will be a link down in the description where you guys can get a discount. It'll be my personal discount link, so click on it below. You can use the discount code and get a discount on your very first Walt Life box too. And maybe if you're lucky, you will also get confetti to throw all over your bedroom. Well, I think that is all for this video. I've got my little Elsa with me. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy Merry Vlogmas, and we will see you all tomorrow. Bye!